pressing the start button, nothing happens. You can't turn it off. All these lights are on. They won't go off. We have to reset. I think it's an ECM. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So that's not working, right? So what we got to do is we got to open up the hood, which we did, right? We pop this, bam, and then we got the hood open. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take this cable off of here and this cable off of here, and then we're going to touch them together for about 20 seconds, and that should reset the ECM. You can hear it. It's making a weird noise, right? So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. 10 millimeter, right? Lefty loosey, so I got to switch this. There we go. So I got to go this way to get it off. We're just going to get these off in here, just like that. So we got to pull it off the terminal of the battery. Got to get both of them. Follow me? This one and this one. This one's loose. All right, they seem to be pretty loose, right? I can turn them. Now I got to get my screwdriver in there and just kind of like wedge it off. Let's see. Yeah, we want to get that off of there. There we go. So now this is off, right? Now we got to get this one off. Bam, done. All right, so now we've got these both off, and what we're going to do is we're just going to wait about 20 or 30 seconds. You don't want it touching, right? So let's put this over here, like that. All right, so we're just waiting. And then what we got to do is we're going to take this and we're going to touch it with that and hold it for a little while. And it's supposed to reset the EMC or some kind of thing in there. You can see this is like kind of corroded. You know, I don't know if maybe this is bad but anyway. There we can. Here we go. So we're just going to touch these two together for about 20 seconds. Now this is supposed to reset it. I'm just wondering if it's going to work. Okay, give it a couple more seconds to chill out. Right now all we got to do is put them back on there and see if it works. And I'm wondering if I've got to recharge the battery because, you know, the thing might be dead. But we'll give it a shot. So first we'll put it on the neutral side, right? Okay. Cross your fingers that this works, I'm hoping. So first we're going to put this side on. So I just got to get it down on there. And now we got to go righty-tighty, right? So we got to switch our thing. I'm going to get on here like this. We're just going to tighten her down. There we go. Just got to get it nice and tight. I think that's on there pretty good. Now we got to get this one on. And then tighten her down. Right? Now we'll see if this works. Cross your fingers. All right. Put that thing back on there. All right, what do you think, guys? You think it's gonna work? I don't know. I'm very skeptical because I'm not hearing anything. So we're all hooked up. Car's running. I'm just gonna let it charge for a little bit. I'm gonna have my coffee and then I'm gonna come back. And yeah, hopefully it'll work. I've been letting this, you know, power up for about 20 minutes. I mean, if it's holding a charge, it should be holding a charge, right? So let's get in here and see what happens. Now, when I got in, everything came on like it's supposed to, right? And when I look down here, engine, start, nothing's on. I got all the electrical turned off. So I'm gonna step on the brake and this should turn green. Now when I press this button, it should start. Oh, I got it started. I did it. I did it.